Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we are joined by Jake and Will Plays Games and me. That's our channel. In Theme Park Tycoon 2. Last a few weeks we did a tour of Monkey Park. Big Park. Yay! So now we have 3 likes. I'll show you my first. So you were the first likes. Then these were these are my likes. And can you actually do a month ago? Do the roller coaster for me. But I have a lot of money, but I need to get in the next video. I will. So this is the tour today. Once you let me cut the video a little bit. I'll be back in a second. Sorry about that. We're on the beach one. Let's have a little ride. Yeah, just a little one. Don't like to go to the camera. Oh, can you, Jay? Yeah, just a minute. Okay, let me sit down. Right, we're waiting for the coaster to come back. Yeah, we need to. Oh God. Someone. No! Someone actually ate you. Go in the back. Go in the back. Actually, go in the back. No. Yay! Oh my God. Look. That was a medium wide occasion. Right. Woo! Right, let's go to Brashy next. Yeah, next. But if we do this, hash the wave. I can't wave because actually chat is properly for this. So you need to get the seconds because I can't do my chat now. So what's going on? No. Oh, here it is. Wait. You'll be smacked by the car. I have 53 guesses in this big park. Everyone just goes to my park. Right, this attraction. That's insane. Boys and girls. Oh God, there's more guesses. Let us go to the back. Yeah. No. I'll be right there. Oh! Jake. So let's see. Oh God. Hi. I'm actually using my POV camera now. Woo! That looks like a Mickey Man. When X made that ride, but now it's removed. Yes. So I made one for him. Woo! There's only 3 channels on one. Through the rock, then come up to the end of the ride. It's a rolling coaster. It is. Yeah, I know this is a really small park. Yeah. Similar to my big park Golden Towers. We'll do Funland then. Later on, tomorrow we're going to do a tour around Funland. Yeah. This is my ghost train. We need to sit down. But it's not completed yet. Yeah, I haven't because I was going to run out of. You have a load of money at Funland. Yeah. I have a lot. Yeah, I have loads of money. How many robots do you have? About 5. I have 53. Yeah. We need to move a booth here. Uh-oh. I'll do it. Let me take this off. There we go. The roof is being destroyed. Do you want to go on the scenic railway? Yeah, what's the scenic railway? It's from Dreamland in Margate. Hurry up before you miss it, Al. Hit this button. Right, here we go. Woo! This is where it goes up, and this is how it does. It's a classic one. This is a classic roller coaster. How many hours can I do this? 57 minutes. No way. This is bad. This bad guy. Woo! But actually, no. Something sad is going. 2 getting Jake's Tower and Autumn Ship. The pirate ship at Kids Zone area. At Drake's World? No, at the tower, at the Kids Zone area, next to the entrance. The pirate ship will be shutting down. At Alton Towers? Yeah, Roblox. Oh no! Let's go on the drop tower. Yeah, we'll stand. Yeah, actually, it's going to be a Funland and Sealand USA. It's moving. Right. Oh god. Yes, finally. That is the ride is opening like in July. Yeah, July. Yeah, the new ride. Yeah, testing. Oh, I have 50 guesses. No! What are you doing? Well, actually, you don't know. I'm actually let's go on the cars ride. We need to test it. No one's going on it. Oh! We're giving next to you, my little darling. Jay, come on! Oh god. Oh. I'm a bit weird. You look weird as well. You're a tycoon now. And why are you wearing your Vision Park staff? Because it's getting Easter and it's ending now. Right. Yeah, it's ending. Let's get. Oh, it's shut. Okay, I'll rename it. Opening July. You can do it, Jake. I'll go to seconds. Like, here's the thing. So, here's the thing that you need to go to. Oh, there's my neighbour. Driving. It's the awesome. There you go. Thanks. Say thanks. Okay, name it. Opening. Let's opening July. Jump up. Look. Yeah. July. Opening July. Opening July. There we go. Right, let's go to the entrance, guys. For the end of the video. Wait a minute, we got something. What is it? We done all the lines. It's all about the jukebox right here. It's actually just the next video. We might have to do music. Yeah, let's do a music one. Oh, tomorrow's going to be a music video. What? On Friday, on Saturday, there's going to be a music video. It's called Heroes. The Bad Guys of Mad City. Yeah. They're making. Right, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. See you, nation, and see you soon. Bye. We don't.